In today's video, I'm going to teach you on how to upload Roblox clothing using Customuse seamlessly. Let's start this tutorial by going to Customuse website and go over to the Roblox clothing that you've created. Once you're satisfied with the shirt that you've created, then click the share button and then you need to select publish button as if you're on a free account on Customuse. Then you can't download the file directly. Now enter the title of the shirt and then enter a short description if you want. Once done, click on the Save and Publish button. After publishing it, then you can now download the shirt PNG and also you can download the pants. Once you're done downloading the clothing, then open a new tab and search for Roblox website. Log into your Roblox account and in the Home tab, click the Create button above to open the Creator Hub page of Roblox. Next, click on the Creations menu on the left side and then go over to Avatar item. Next, click on the Classics section and then select Classic Shirts. Now click on the Upload Asset button, click the Upload button again and navigate to the shirt PNG that you've downloaded and click Open. Next, enter a name for your shirt and write a short description if you like. Now for you to upload the clothing, you need 10 Robux, so make sure that you have enough Robux or you can buy it on the store. That's about it.